share my screen with you guys. When you are able to see my screen, please let me.
Yes, we are.
So
Yes.
today we are going to discuss about C Sharp Advanced. Okay. And for advanced topic, what we will discuss some of the topics. And as we know, guys, Madri, here we change something. First, we will discuss the concept, and then we will do the practical. Okay.
Okay.
And as I requested, I want you guys need to go through this practically by your own, so that we can save our time. Am I right? And
Yeah.
come up with a lot of things and discuss the things there. Okay. So for today topics in advance, what we will discuss about, you can say, this link ally link queue. What is link queue? We'll discuss about that. We will discuss about null safety, and we will discuss about task, and you can say dependency injection, and as well as you can say this task async await, okay, and dependency. We will discuss these topics. So let me do one thing. Let me create a one folder, C sharp class. Okay. So in this advanced, we will discuss about link to I don't know what is the issue of this. Let me close this. Okay. So we will discuss about some advanced topic, link queue. What do you understand from link queue, guys? In C sharp. Any idea?
With the link queue, we provide inline queries
Okay, inline
inside our
query.
code.
Yes. So as its name suggests, link queue means we have language integrated query. Am I right?
Okay.
Query. And what is the use of query?
To access database.
Sorry,
To access database.
that's SQL. Am I right?
Yes, right.
And SQL is a different thing. Here we are saying language integrated query. What do you understand? What is the purpose of this query?
It's used to filtering and the sorting records.
Filtering, sorting. Okay. Anything else? Searching, count. Am I right?
Mm.
And others. Find, first, first,
First or
first,
mm.
first and default, or so many other operations are there. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is useful. Am I right? So we will check this. We will create a one list and check this. Okay. And what about what you understand from this? You can say this link queue is there. Apart from link queue, we have a sync and await. And let me type this first. So link queue. After link queue, we have this async await task and null pointer and then exception handling. Okay. Do this. Exception handling. Null pointer exception. Okay. So, what do you understand from this null pointer? Null
Which
pointer
refers to
safety.
the
Null
which refers
pointer
to the null
safety.
value.
Yes, safety. Null pointer safety. Yes, please. Yes, yes. Null pointer safety. What do you understand from this?
It allows variable to hold some null values.
Okay. What do you understand from safety?
If there is a no value, then program will not crash. It gives that some safety to that particular variable if the value is null.
I guess it prevents the what we can say exception.
Okay.
If any null values is occur, then it prevents the exception occurrence of the exception or exception handling.
Yes, basically you can think of right now you want to make a tea. Am I right? But you don't have a sugar. Am I right? So if someone like a means tea with the sugar, you cannot able to do that. Am I right? If you will make a tea, but that person don't like that because you are not using sugar there. You understand that? Same thing with our program. If we are assuming something is there, but something is not there, and we are trying to perform some operation, that what happens? Your application will crash. Am I right? You understand my point?
Right.
To get means this is a bigger problem in you can say this programming and another language as well. So that's why they come up with the solution. Hey, if you want to do this, then compiler will warn you. Understand my point? Then compiler will warn you, hey, this is a thing. If you want to do this, then when you will use this, I will warn you. This value can be null. Okay. So that you will carefully utilize this value. You understand my point, guys? Madhuri, Shraddha.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
So they will means if you want to give a means you cannot leave a value with a null value. You can't. But if you want, then you need to apply a question mark there. Okay. If you then you need to apply a question and this value can be null. When you will going to do any operation, it will check a value is there or not. If you are just without checking, you are going to do it will give you a warning. Hey, this value can be null. Please be. Are you sure this whatever you are going to do, if value not there, your application will crash. Are you sure about that or not? You understand my point, guys?
yes.
So for that, we need to tell them, and there is a you can say another way. If value is there, utilize that value. If value is not there, utilize the default value or another value. Okay. So this is null safety. Any question or concern regarding these topics?
No.
No.
And you can say another. We need to cover 7 topics in null safety. We will use with a var. Let's say int or string, whatever data type we will use. String and you can say this question mark name is equal to null. Okay, so in this way we can use that null value. If it's there, then fine. Otherwise, if we will going to apply some operation to uppercase to lowercase or something on a this, then it will warn us, hey, this value can be null. There is a method has value, you can check. If value is there, then you can perform the operation. Otherwise, you don't need to perform the operation. And you can say other, we have this feature, this lambda. What do you understand from lambda, guys? Lambda. Sharda, Madhuri,
sir,
what do you
won't be able to
understand?
answer.
Sorry?
No, I won't be able to answer that. Lambda.
No worries. So lambda is a, you can say, concise and anonymous function. Okay. Means which will, as its name suggests, means this function don't have a name and it's a concise. Okay. So for that we have some rules which you need to follow. If lambda have only one parameter, okay, and it has only one parameter, and in a body it has only one line of code, then you can, then this parentheses are not required and the return type is not required. This single expression is sufficient. But if you have you can say this more than one thing, that's a two parameter is there, okay, then this is required. Then you will require this. And if you can say you have multiple statements in a body, then you require this as well. Okay, this is a lambda, and normally we use lambda with our this link queue functions like filtering, where clause, or you can say order sorting, ascending, descending order count, and search as well. Am I right? We'll check that.
Okay.
Any question or concern regarding this lambda and your this link queue and null pointer safety?
No,
Sharda, Madhuri,
no,
any
no,
question or
sir.
concern?
No, sir.
So now we need to move forward and async await. What do you understand from async await?
Think of it is nothing but the process allows to execute the code simultaneously without interrupting to the background process or without waiting to complete the process which is running in background.
So basically,
Simultaneous execution.
yes. So basically, if you talk about async, so now, right now, if we run our any program, it will run in a sequence manner. Means start from top to bottom. Am I right? And it will mean if there is a something take time, then it will wait until unless that thing will not complete, it will wait. Okay. But in a, you can say this, there is some task which will take some time. Am I right? Let's say in a real life, if you will give an exam, then you need to wait for, you can say this, you need to wait for your result. It will take some time. Am I right? You will not get a result immediately,
Okay.
isn't it?
Yes.
And if you talk about in a programming manner, we have a, you can say this API call, database connection. It will take some time. Am I right? And main, if that time you can say this, hold your, you can say this. If you hold your program, then it will mean user is user not able to understand what happened there. As per user history, you can say your program is not working, but this is not a case. Am I right? So for that, to get rid of this, we have you can say we have a async await. Async means whatever code require some time to execute, we will not hold our you can say we will not wait for to wait for that to be completed. What we will do, we will keep that means we will keep that into a background so that it will take some time. So after that, when it's done, then we will resume. We will continue from there. You understand my point?
Yes.
So for that, you need to use async await. Async means we are saying, hey, this function will take some time. Or here means whatever response we will get in a future. We will not get now. So, so for that means we are releasing our main thread so that it will execute another task. Okay. When we will
Yeah.
get a response, we will continue from there. You understand my point, guys?
Yes. Yes.
So this is a thing which we need to take care about that. Okay. So for async await, okay. Now what is next? Next is your this task. What you understand from task in normal life?
Task is just a uh, in-hand program, we can say, or in-hand process, a single execution or single process. We can consider it as a task.
Okay. Yes, so basically in this we can think of we are doing the things in a background. So to handle a background thing, we will normally use task. And in our real life project as well, we will learn that hey, this is a task, and based on that, we will perform our operation there. Okay. So in that manner, we will use this task. And task have you can say three things where it will return some value, it will return some value, it will not return some value, and it will you can say return a value. There are three versions are there which we will check. Okay. Any question or concern regarding this task thing, guys?
No, not from my side.
No, sir.
Oh, okay. What means what we covered till now in a theory part, guys? Could you tell me?
Thank you. Async await, null pointer sakti, task.
Okay. Anything else?
Mm, I guess no. Lambda was there. Lambda and lambda expressions both are one and the same, or is it different?
Yes, sir. Both are true.
Okay.
Lambda. Okay. Well, lambda is the expression only because lambda don't have a name. Am I right?
Okay.
So you can use that as expression. Okay. So now we need to move on a next topic, which is the exception handling. What is that?
Runtime error.
Runtime error?
No, where error which occurs at execution or a runtime. It might be a
Okay.
compile time also.
But what is exception? What is
It is
exception?
exception at the runtime, which error which occurs at the runtime. Dynamic error.
Okay. So basically, we test lot of things while developing our program, but Sometimes we will skip, which we will not assume or we will not predict. That will break our code. Am I right? So that's called exceptions. We not expect, but those occur. Am I right? And disturb our project or code. Am I right? So for that, what is the way to handle that exceptions?
We can write a try catch block.
What do you understand from try catch, guys?
Mm. Inside try, we can suppose if we are able to predict that this exception may occur. So to handle that, we use try catch block. If any kind of exception occur, it gives to the try catch. If it is occurring, then it will throw an exception instead of breaking the flow of entire application. It just gives exception.
Okay. So it will give us a exception. With the help of that, we get a chance. Hey, something is going wrong. You can handle this thing here. Am I right? So and what is finally? What do you understand from finally, guys?
Finally,
Whatever we
even
have
after
written in final block that is executed, whether the exception is handled or not.
Okay. Whether the exception handle or not, it will execute. What is the use of that finally? Why we use that?
If you want something which need to be executed, that part we can write in a final. Some database connection, for example, uh, we need to close that database connection. We can write it in a final block so that
So means exception can be occur or it cannot be occur. But something means heavy lifting task we need to close when things are done. I mean, either it's a success or it's a failure. You understand my point?
right.
So for that we will use finally. Okay, make sense, guys? Okay,
Yes.
now we need to move forward and discuss about this dependency injection. What do you understand from dependency injection, guys?
Mm.
Hello.
Mm.
What do you
Sorry,
understand? What do you understand about dependency injection?
no, I'm blank with that.
it is something like the class need to complete its work, which class is depends on something.
So, Shraddha, you can think of you will encounter some problem. Okay.
Okay.
So, in your house, so what you will do? You will encounter a problem in your electricity. What you will do to get resolved? You will become means you will study the electronics, and then you will repair or you will call someone.
So I'll
Uh,
call electrician to fix it out.
yes, same thing. It's a dependency injection. You understand my point? So dependency injection is nothing. You are saying whatever you require rather than creating by your own. Why you are not means call from outside?
Okay, okay.
You understand my point?
Yeah.
So that's a dependency injection. Okay. So here what we will do, we will not, you can say, create the dependency inside a class only. We will pass this as a dependency, as a, you can say, required property or required value, or inject from a constructor. Okay. With the help of
Okay.
constructor. Am I right, Madhuri?
Yes, sir.
So we will discuss all these things and we will see in a practical manner. Guys, you have any question or concern regarding anything, whatever we discussed?
No.
No,
So first we will learn about this what we will discuss here. So first we will discuss the link queue, right? For link queue, what we will do, we will create a, let's say, namespace is for development public class complaint ID and ID and ID let in ID get set public string title get set public string reference. Description public date time resolved resolved date get set public string and priority task. That's it. Okay. So now what we need to do, public class name, public static string, okay, for that we need to create a list of complaint next. Complaint list. Complaint. Complaint. ID ID1 the title is equals description basically from the Okay. Let okay. Now we will be link and the link for link you have to use here. Uh, List for list for here. You can say list select class the perfect list for this. And say you can use any name here. And so we'll say the that we want to list. Okay. So in this manner, you can perform another operation as well, like this where check the distance with and where the RTP. is equal to 1 and C less than around. Okay, so it will give a existence only, there or not. Okay, and if you want to, you can say do this only. And rather than getting, you want to return something specific, then you can do that as well. List and list for okay, let's run this. To close this window, and we were not printing anything, that's why we were not able to see. One, two, four, one. So we need to close this. We are not able to see the output. Do one thing. Sorry.
रीड लाइन आएगा क्या सर?
Sorry.
रीड लाइन, कंसीडर रीड लाइन भी करना पड़ेगा नीचे.
Nothing, so no. Why we require that? We are not reading, isn't it? Hello world. We are able to see the hello world.
Yes.
Yeah. I think it's a thing. String. I think so now we are able to print that. Okay. So printing this from here until string. It's not printing. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So here we list. Yes, so it's printing now. So this is a particular link queue, guys, and another operations are there, select and another. You can try it by your own. Any question or concern regarding this link queue, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, now moving forward to our next thing, this null pointer safety. Okay, and in a null point safety, we will say, let's say this is var string name. Okay, and name is, let's say, Deepak. Okay, and here we are console.log console.write line name. Okay, and when you run this, there is no problem because value is there, and we are printing that, or we we can perform some operation as well. To uppercase. Okay. So it will convert this name to uppercase and print that. Because value is there is no issue. Okay. But let's say if you will, if value is not there and value is null, and if you will try to do that, then what happens? Let's see. So here you will give a value to this. Hashtag you can, oh, okay, let's run this. Now you are able to see it's give us a error. Okay, and this is a exception thrown. Null pointer reference exception means this value is not there. That why you are not able to prove that. To make it safe, as I told you, you need to go with a question mark. Now, before applying that, we have a one method if name as if name as value. Null pointer null. So we'll check this if it's there, then you will check that first. Name question mark, then if name has value is not there. Not there. Okay. So what we will do? So dot write a line. So name else print the name else. Okay. So let me do this here in a better manner. So if value is there, then go with the name. If value is not there, then print the I am the name first. So here this. Name will pull on to the So now it's working fine. But there is a method it's mentioned in our file. So with the help of that, you can check that means has value or not there. So as value is a method. With the help of that, you can check that if value is there, then you can apply a value there. Otherwise, there
As a
is
value, sir.
yes, but I am not able to get that. As value is there, but right now I'm not able to see that. Okay, no worries. Any question or concern, guys, regarding this null pointer one?
No.
Okay. Now here means you saw that when you are going to do performing the operation uppercase and lowercase on a name, it will you can say give a exception. To handle that, we have a try catch block. Okay. In a try catch block, what you will do if there is a you can say this error occur, then you can handle that gracefully. Okay, and give a meaningful message to the user. Okay, so let's say let me try to do that here. Console write ln and name dot to uppercase to upper. Okay, and rather than means crashing our app, we can say we'll give a meaningful message to the user. Name value is null. Finally, it will console dot write console dot log write I will execute. I will execute. Okay. So here you will see right now we will get the land here because our this is the uppercase is not allowed here because this is a null pointer exception. Okay. So for that, this is not allowed because it's saying it can be null. Maybe null here. Okay. Null reference. So this is a way to handle this. The help of try catch block. And in that manner, it will this will get a chance to execute always. Okay. Or here at the place of this, you can use another example. Rather than doing this, we can try to convert the string value to this into dot parse. Then it will throw a format exception, and here you can able to handle that. So let's say we will say this int result is equal to the parse, let's say 10. Result of the result. Okay, and if it's convert successfully, then we will say console.log write ln result run. Okay, if it's not there, then it will give us error because it will convert successfully. So there is no error, there is no exception. Okay. And if she break, then it will give us an error. Let's say if we try to do this, then we need to change this exception to either parent exception or format exception. Okay. So name value is null, unable to convert, unable to convert string to number. String to unable to convert, I will execute. You understand my point, guys?
Yes, sir.
Any question or concern? Link you this try catch and your this null safety.
No, sir.
Share the and
No,
Madhuri.
sir.
Okay, whatever the topic we left, we will continue tomorrow. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.